Good evening and thanks for tuning in to the Allett channel this evening. We're going to be announcing the top 3 of the Allett International Creative Lawn Stripes Competition, and I know you've all been waiting to not only hear who the winner is but also to see these final top 3 entries. As I say, we've had entries from all over the world, and in the last 18 months of epidemic, then of course there have been more people at home, and we've really seen that in the entries. Many more homeowners and much less of the professionals this year, and that's been really nice to see. We've seen smaller lawns that most of us own and a whole bucket load of creativity in order to differentiate themselves from the others. So yesterday we announced our 4th, 5th and 6th positions. Incredibly difficult to choose who those guys were going to be. You will have seen those entries, so you already have a measure of the standards that we're working with here. I'd like to say a big thank you to Andrew Wayne. Andrew Wayne is our winner from last year and also accepted the challenge of being the judge for this year. He won with his NHS design, which was a really stunning design, but he will be absolutely clear that this is a very tough job being a judge of this competition. So let's move on. 3rd place, we've had an absolutely amazing design from Dale Buchanan Murtagh from West Lothian in Scotland. So take a look at this design. Dale is a regular on our Instagram and is constantly showing his passion for lawns, and the amazing design that he came up with as well is just fantastic. 2nd place. 2nd place is going to Tim Sankan. Tim's from Minneapolis in the USA. Have a look at this design. Absolutely amazing spiral design. It's his first entry into this competition after discovering the competition last year, and again it's really nice to see that this is a homeowner, an amateur lawn enthusiast, turning out really very professional results. Finally, the one that we've all been wanting to see is the winner of this year's Allett International Creative Lawn Stripes Competition is Dennis West. Dennis is also from the USA, and again another great amateur lawn enthusiast. Lawn care is his hobby. This is cut into Kentucky bluegrass, and Dennis actually came in top 6 last year as well, so really admire your enthusiasm and just sticking in there, Dennis, because it's all paid off. So please keep an eye on our website for our blog, and you will see the top 6 entries. I think you'll agree that they are the highest standards that we've ever had. Every year just the standards increase. Also, we've put a link below as well to Lawn and Order, a Channel 5 show which shows what it's like to be quite so passionate about your lawns, like many of us. And please make sure, take inspiration from these photographs, and please enter again next year. It's a lot of fun. What's the worst that can happen? And you too could win an Allett Liberty mower, all the attachments and the stands, just like Dennis. Thanks for tuning in. Put your comments below about what you think about these lawn winners. Thank you.